What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? Hey, what's happening, guys? Welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and now you have entered into my bomb ass unboxing world. Today we have GLOSSYBOX's Holiday Limited Edition box for 2020. I'm so excited, guys, to see what we got. So if you guys want to see what's in GLOSSYBOX holiday box, that made sense, right? Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What's up, loves? Welcome. I am your hostess with the mostest, TonyaNicole, and welcome to my channel, guys. I would appreciate it if before you left, you subscribed to our family and become one of my bomb-ass subscriber squad people. Also, guys, give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your family and friends so that our channel can grow. Today we are unboxing GLOSSYBOX's Holiday Limited Edition box, and from my understanding, these boxes go pretty quick. So let me know in the comments if you plan on picking one up. I want to give a shout out to my 5 first commenters from Friday's video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl early. I greatly appreciate you all. Today, I'm just drinking on some Moscato as usual. So I'm gonna take a drink real quick. So let's open this baby and get some specs on it. Ooh, and when we take her out, she is looking very reminiscent of the GLOSSYBOX Advent calendar. If you did not see that unboxing, which by the way, I think was amazing, I'm going to link it right up here and down below for you guys to check it out. So this one right here, guys, is their limited edition holiday box. This went on sale November 30th, and I checked and I think that it's still available when this video comes out. Fingers crossed that it is. I hope so. This one is $35 for non-subscribers and $30 for GLOSSYBOX subscribers. Also free shipping. I will have a link down below that will save you $5 off. So you'll get it for $25 if you are a subscriber to GLOSSYBOX. Also, guys, this is valued at over $200, and there's 8 products in here with a variety of hair, makeup, and skincare. So let's get this box on and poppin', boo. Hey, I'm gonna take a dance break and a drink break. Oh, when you open it up, it opens up like this. Oh, my bad. It opens up like this, guys. I love the way it just swings open like that. And it says, there are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. And that is going to be my motto going into 2021, is to focus on the reasons in my life that make me happy, and all other reasons, I'm just going to do away with it. Anything that brings me any added stress, anxiety, sadness, I'm just going to do away with it in 2021 and focus on things that make me happy. Yes. You always get like this little pamphlet right here, and it has the products inside with the prices, and I'm going to go over that. Y'all know that. I just want to say GLOSSYBOX's packaging is always on point. Like, they do really well with their packaging, really well. First product right on top is this little pencil here, and this is from Cobb Cosmetics right here. I think this is Kim Zolciak and her daughter Brielle's line. I remember getting lipsticks from BoxyCharm and 2 liners from them in a box a while back. This pencil is their Strawberry Daiquiri lip liner, and anybody that knows me knows I love a good daiquiri. This is the full-size pencil. This retails for $12, and this is the shade right there, my loves. I'm not gonna open this. I'm gonna put this in a giveaway. I tend to not like these shades, and I don't want to open it and waste it, but yeah, we got a full-size lip liner for $12. Next product we have is from Authentic Beauty Concepts. That is what it is looking like right here. This is the Deluxe Mini, and in here you get 60 grams of product in here. And it says, let's read on this little product because I have no idea. It's a dry shampoo, free from microplastics, mineral oil, paraben, and silicones. This dry shampoo will texturize, refresh, and protect your hair from heat. You want to shake it well and spray 8 inches away from the scalp to your dry hair and lightly massage. So this one, guys, right here retails for $10. And the full size is $25. Now, I just started using dry shampoos on my wigs. So, I'm down for a good, oh, girl, it like flew across the room. All right, hold on. Let me grab the top. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I got the top back on. Girl, that is like a catastrophe, huh? So let's shake it up and let's spray it. Ooh. Nice spray. It smells like powder, actually, to me, baby powder. So I am excited to get this product right here and use it. And it retails for $10, guys. Full size is $25. The next product I'm very excited to see, this BioSilk Silk Therapy. It's like a hair oil and heat protectant. I got a really small sample size one time from the beauty store. And this stuff right here makes my hair look so shiny, so healthy, and so pretty. So I am happy that they gave us this. Now, this is a deluxe mini. Oh, wow. This is the Deluxe Mini. And this says it contains natural pure silk. It's a weightless serum that is great for taming frizz and preventing split ends, resulting in a beautiful shine. And I will second that because I love the way it looks on my natural hair as well as on my wigs. This right here, guys, is the Deluxe Mini 2.26 ounces. It retails for $15.95. And the full size is 12 ounces. And that retails for $49.70. Wow. But I love BioSilk. I love this. And it smells so good. There's a seal on it, so I won't open it. But guys, trust me, this is bomb. Let me take a little drink. Okay, so next product we have is from Intraceuticals. Right here. And this is a daily rejuvenate serum. You get 0.5 fluid ounces of product. That is what she is looking like. When we pull it up, it does have a top like that. So this is a daily face serum, I'm going to assume. Let's look. So this is a Deluxe Mini product as well. It says drastically improve your skin's texture, radiance, and vitality with this rejuvenating serum, and it has anti-aging ingredients in it. After you cleanse your face, you're going to apply 1 to 3 pumps into the palms and gently pat all over your face and neck. Follow with a moisturizer. And this, like I said, guys, is the Deluxe Mini. It retails for $74.50. Holy moly. The full size, which is 30 milliliters of product, retails for $149. Oh my God. Wow. Let's pump a little bit of this out. Oh, okay. So actually it's like a white serum. I wasn't expecting that. Oh, it smells, I don't know what that smell is, but it has like a slight scent, and that's how it looks when you rub it out on your skin. It does feel very hydrating, so I am excited to incorporate this little product into my skincare. But $74? Girl, I mean, okay. The next up we have from Christophe Robin. I know I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. It's this product right here, guys. And this is a Deluxe Mini. This is a cleansing, volumizing paste with Rosol, I'm not sure, clay and rose extracts. Okay, so this is a unique blend of Rosol clay that helps preserve and enhance your color while creating volume from the roots without weighing your hair down. You're going to apply this to damp hair in the place of shampoo and massage it, rinse, and follow with the conditioner. So it's a volumizing paste for your hair. Okay. Oh, it smells like hair grease, like Blue Magic. Anybody that knows what Blue Magic is, comment down below. That's what this smells like. And this is what it looks like on the inside, guys, like a brown, like kind of looks like diarrhea, actually, if you look at it. Yeah, but it smells like, I have the dropsies today. It smells like Blue Magic shampoo, but it's a volumizing paste. And I think that I might try this. I don't know. This retails for $10.13, guys. For the full size, it would be $19. Okay, I'm excited to try this out. All right, moving along, guys, we have, oh, now I do not like getting nail polish, but look at this. Like, this says TonyaNicole, and it matches my background, girl. Okay, so this is very pretty. This right here is, oh, it's on the back. This is the Lauren B Beauty Bright Lights Nail Polish, and it says flash diffusion of gold and silver glitter on your fingers and toes this holiday season. It'll lighten up any look. This is a full size, guys, and it retails for $14. Okay, I'm excited to get this. Let's test it out a little bit. I have on press on, so I'll just put a little bit on my nails. I love smelling nail polish. I know it's so strange. Oh, this is cute. All right, I'm taking these nails off anyway. So that's what it looks like right there, loves. I hope you guys can see that. That's what it looks like. Okay, I'm happy to get this. It adds like a nice little accent to my nails, so I like that. Okay, all right, $14, and I like that it's holiday themed and it matches my background. Then we have from Travel Buddy, and this is a moisturizing mini kit right here. Let me read up about this a little bit. This is the Chemist Confessions. This is a full-size product. It's the Travel Buddy. Then it says this mini travel kit. So I guess I don't know if it's full-size or mini. It includes a smoothing moisturizer, a water gel, a hydrating oil, and a balm to fight dry patches. You're going to start with the water gel, add a layer of the moisturizer, use a couple of drops of the oil, and finish with the balm. And this retails for $35, loves. And let's open it up and see. Oh, this is cute. When you open it up, it just have like a list of all of the store ingredients and their what they're supposed to do. We get a little card in here like that. And oh, the products come in this cute little pouch. I can actually use this as like a little wallet. Okay. Oh, and it has like a little magnet on it. I love the color scheme. This is very cute. It has Chemist Confessions right here on the bottom. It kind of matches my outfit for today. This right here, guys, is the balm. This is what you're going to use last right here. And you only get 0.5 milliliters of products in here. So that's the little balm. This right here is the Better Oil. This is the oil that you're going to put on before the balm, right? Yes, and in here you get 0.5 milliliters of product. I do love the color it comes in. So it has like a little roller ball, and I'm just going to roll a little bit on my hand. It's not really coming out. It smells like a face oil, and that's it right there, guys. Okay. And then we have this little Aqua Fix Hydrating Water Gel right here. And in here you get 0.10 milliliters of product. It does come with a little pump. I'm not going to pump it out because I don't want to waste it. So we'll just leave it like that. And then last but not least, we have, this is Mr. Reliable All-in-One Moisturizer right here. And it has a pump as well. So, okay, guys, these are 4 products to make up like your skincare routine. I do like that it comes like in this little travel-friendly pouch here. You can take it on the go. It's probably easy for travel. And I told you guys this retails for $35. Please let me know down below if you've used Chemist Confessions before and what are your thoughts on this product. The last product is this right here, which is Ms. Skin Hydro Lift Golden Facial Treatment right here. And this is what the mask looks like right here on the back. This look kind of scary. It's giving me kind of like Mardi Gras type themes. Since Mardi Gras is canceled in New Orleans, girl, I'm so sad. Oh, so this is a full-size product. This is the Hydro Lift Golden Facial Treatment Mask. This retails for $30 and it's clinically proven to improve skin smoothness. This facial mask will hydrate, lift, and prime your skin while targeting hyperpigmentation. Perfect, because I do have hyperpigmentation. So I will use this. You're going to leave it on for 20 minutes, peel and remove excess with warm water. I told you guys it's full size. It retails for $30. Okay, I do like that we get like a mask like this. It feels so fancy. Okay. Let's quickly recap. We're going to do final thoughts and we're going to be done. So we received from BioSilk this Silk Therapy Hair Shine From Authentic Beauty Concept, this dry shampoo. Christoph Robin, this hair paste, volumizing hair paste. Intraceuticals, this daily serum. KAB Cosmetics, this lip liner in Strawberry Daiquiri. From Ms. Skin, this sheet mask. From Lauren B. Beauty, this nail polish here. And from Chemist Confessions, this mini travel kit. So these 8 products, my loves, I'm going to put the total right here for you guys so that you can know the value of the box. And my final thoughts, guys, on this GLOSSYBOX Holiday Limited Edition box was that I really enjoyed the products. It was not very makeup heavy, which y'all do know that I love makeup heavy boxes or a nice even amount of makeup and skincare. But with this box, we got 1 makeup product, which was this lip liner here. And the rest of the stuff was more geared towards your hair care, nails, and skin, which I'm not mad with because some of these products I've heard about, some of them I've already used and loved. So I'm not really too mad about it. I do wish, however, that since it is a holiday box, that they would have at least given us like a Christmas palette or a red lip or, you know, a blush maybe, something like that, just to, you know, go with a good holiday look. But I mean, the products that we got, I can't be mad with it. I'm especially excited for this right here. And the nail polish, this mask, the dry shampoo. So, oh, and the little daily serum. So I'm pretty pleased with the box. Let me know down below, guys, what you would rate this holiday edition box from GLOSSYBOX. This is my first time receiving it, so I really don't have anything to go off of. So I really don't have like a rating. I don't really know. I'm thinking maybe a 3. I don't know. You guys let me know down below if you've received this box before and how it compared to past boxes, and you give me your rating. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you are having a wonderful Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our family. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Give this video a big thumbs up, guys, and I will see you all in the comments and on my next video. So I'm going to take a poll about Wednesday's video, so make sure you're checking out my community tab as well as Instagram. I'll put a poll there too to see what you guys want to see next. So until next time and next video, stay blessed, stay safe, wear your mask. Love you guys. Bye.